What is up, y'all? It's always honking. I haven't been here in a while and I truly missed y'all. Oh, yeah, that's right. I made another video and you're watching it. But yeah, thumbs up and enjoy the flick.
Oh, they left the shovel out so we can shovel. That's what's up.
We made it. We made it.
My tummy hurts.
Let's see what this house is about. Yo, this is. Hold up, but where?
I need a flip.
That's the pool table. They got a drum set too.
For real?
Yeah, they got a bass.
I'm staying right here.
Yo, you guys want to check up this?
Yeah.
Alright, so this house looks pretty cool. Oh, the kitchen's up here. The projector's up here. Look, this is the projector up here. Fuego.
I know, I dio mío. Oh, they still have projectors, so. Oh, we don't play Smash?
Lo vamos.
Huh?
Yo, what Nerf guns are we getting?
I might top this though.
No lie. What's this one? This one looks like a shotgun. That's this?
Yeah. This one, see, I kind of like this
But how does it look? Oh, that's how it look.
one. I might get a
You don't like it when people finish with like that, right? When there's double? Facts.
Alright.
Yo, $4, bro. When you down and then there's no one to help you.
Like you, this is what you put right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Not bad.
Wait, how much is this? 95?
No problem.
Wait, what the hell?
Toys R Us, it was sells for 130. It sells for 130. Yeah.
Nigga, Toys R Us doesn't exist anymore.
A bunch of plastic and paint.
Okay.
He wants to know what
You wanna know a fire truck? Alright. So, the game starts like this. I put my hand right here.
What the?
Wait, you gotta hold up. We don't play
I
fire
told you
truck.
not to
I'm
ask.
put right here, right? So the goal of fire truck is that my hand is a fire truck. It's gonna keep going. Hold up. It's gonna keep going up. If it's too much for you, you gotta say red light. Okay? All right.
Red light.
Oh, no, hold
Red
up.
light.
Hold up. All right, ready? All right. Fire truck coming. Fire truck coming. Fire truck.
Red light. Yo.
Fire truck don't stop at red light.
Alright, who's next?
This is all the food we got. Oh, healthy, vegan healthy. I mean, we got water. We got the Nerf guns, yo. We got Nerf guns. That's all we need.
Huh?
We got the Aunt Your Mama. Aunt Your Mama.
We got Uncle Jemima. Yo, we're stacking that cheese, bro.
Gouda.
Literally.
Eso está Gouda.
You know we stay getting this bread. Yo, good evening. Let's get this potato bread.
Let's get this bread. He got the cheddar. I think it's gonna be like 210. That's my answer. Kenny, you changing yours?
I'm in the process.
No, you calculating. You
That's
can't
what
be
you was doing too.
No, I wasn't. I'm just looking at it as a whole. That's mine.
210?
Oh, so far 70.
I think that's it. That's a separate.
Charge it separate.
152. All right.
Put butter on that?
It's for the dance, so it'll be hot.
Yo, y'all gonna make. I made mad food. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. How you do it? Like, What? Okay. Come on, Grandma. I don't care. I'm opening the window when it's snowing.
When is it snow?
I'm tired of y'all. You gotta steal from me?
Mad.
I'm mad or not.
I'm in danger.
We all in danger. Yo, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. And we playing cool. Cool.
Telling the truth, I know.
Cool. Man, are you dead?
Yeah. No.
Hermano.
You don't have one.
You sure? You lost. Hermano sueño.
Ahí no se sueña.
You did.
We said that you're gonna feed us chicken nuggets.
One chicken nugget.
One chicken nugget, and then wait until we keep chewing it and ask us, do you love it? Yo, bring the chicken nuggets. I'm ready.
One by one, baby. Wait, you gotta wait, Lex.
I want another one.
I thought you asked him, do you love it? Do you love me?
I didn't wash my hands by the way, Coco.
It's good. Wait.
Yo, please, so good.
What are you doing? I love it.
Do you love it?
I love it.
Do you love it?
There's no way outside. It's a snowing! It's a snow! It's my coat. It is bad outside. We gonna go check out the snow! It's cold. See the ice picks? Oh no! Your store is frozen shut? Oh, can you open the different door? For real?
Oh no, hold on.
Yo! Everything is frozen.
Anybody want to wear my coat? They could. I have a thick coat. Hey, the incredible.
Yo, he opened it.
Passing my hat. Yo, so you want to wear it?
The what? Yeah.
Rick, come here. I go back.
Oh, I thought you was a G. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all cold? Y'all cold? I'm not even cold at all. Oh, my guy. He's from New York. You from New York?
¡Qué frío!
Ahí está.
Yo.
Oh snap, it's not.
You starting it?
No, I'm gonna start it
What are you
now.
waiting for? Yo, I need help! Yo, he's getting me! Ah!
Yo, it's 9 degrees.
Oh, got him. Oh, got him. Oh.
Ow!
Oh. Oh.
Esparta!
Day 3 of our expedition. We have lost many men, but the many men was not wasted. Why is your window open?
I don't know.
Can you open it? Or close it? Yeah.
Yeah, I can open it now.
Oh, and we move forward. And that's pretty much it. That was all we did over there. We also, I mean, you guys didn't see when we were playing with our Nerf guns, but we had a whole Nerf gun showdown. It was pretty cool. Now, I believe next year when we do it again, I'll make sure to include that. Hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned for more.